Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that this line in the xy plane represents the relationship between the height h of x and the base diameter x in feet for cylindrical Doric columns in ancient Greek architecture. We're asked how much greater is the height of a Doric column that has a base diameter of 5 feet than the height of a Doric column that has a base diameter of 2 feet. So we're saying here we have a column where the diameter is 5 feet, which is represented by x. So x is equal to 5. And we have one with a diameter of 2 feet, so x is equal to 2. And we're asked, what is the difference between their h of x values? So we look at the graph and we say, okay, for here we have 5. So x value of 5, we see where that correlates to on the graph. And then we just find the y value of the point of the intersection between this vertical line and the actual line, the function line. And you get that it's equal to 35. So h of x is 35 at this point, which is the point at which x equals 5 for this line. Same thing with 2. Find where x is equal to 2 on the line by just going vertically up, get your point, and then going across to find its y value, 14. So we're asked how much greater is the height of the 5-foot one than the 2-foot one. The difference between them is 35 minus 14, which is 21. So 21 feet, or C, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.